Unboxing the Simoniz 1800 PSI power washer. I bought one before and it doesn't work good anymore, so I called them because Canadian Tire doesn't have good warranty. So they sent me back one. But I had to pay like a $30 for the refund through them, and now I have 2 years warranty. And this is it. Yeah, beginning to open it right now. Move, Africa, move. All the parts. Okay, let me see if they have the smart spray. Oh yeah, they got the good one. The square one, that's good. The one that goes across is better than the circle because this shoots more direct. That's nice. Okay. And then you have the gun. The two pieces. You have the to read. And then you have the real part here. The machine itself. 1800 Simoniz with the utility roll. Yeah. Let me see if it works. Works. Okay, that's perfect. It works. I'm going to put it back in the bag because I don't need to use it right now. I've already bought another one, so maybe I sell this, but this is a good one. The fact that it has the roll here built on is very good. I like that. But I have another one that's 1800 PSI too, so I don't know which one I'm going to sell. It's a Cobalt, but this one is Simoniz. So we're going to see. I'm going to put it back in the box. Move, Africa, move. So thank you, Simoniz, for the return. Thank you. Don't touch it. Leave it. Leave it, Africa. Leave it. Leave it alone. Not for you. Touch it. Touch it. Go, touch it. No, it's scared.